What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel and to another day trade recap. Today, um, as you can see, it's green. It's a small green, by the way. Nothing of exciting, but um, it's nice. It's nice to be green. It's nice to be green. It's nice to don't have give it back to the market today. Actually, my day started in red, and so let's discuss my trade for today. The first trade was in MRNA. MRNA high. Actually, I went long at the break of the pre-market high, but I was risking, essentially I was risking this the low of this candle, of the second minute candle, essentially the break of the VWAP. Um, the technical the technical stop in reality should have been the 149.5, but I didn't want to hold. I didn't want to I didn't want to make my loss bigger than it had supposed to be. So uh, my feel as well was at 153.69. There was some slippage as well as spread in the early minutes this morning. And I ended up already with the minus $78 in the at the first trade, in the first minutes of the trading day. I then shorted the NIO. The real short in the real short in NIO was supposed to be under this low. I was watching the 17.5, but then I got distracted, and basically I missed this break. I watched for a pullback, which it essentially happened, and I decided to short here, as I was watching for volume, and we were still having a good volume to the downside. But soon I realized that the move was almost done, and I pretty much took half a position out of my short at 1680, which is the low here, and then I hoped for the rest of the shares to write down. This was a fat finger. I wanted to go out at 1722 instead to go out. I actually added to this trade, but then I quickly I quickly closed the trade, as I wasn't sure if it was going on my way, and actually that was not my plan to add, but to go out from the trade. MRNA, I as one of my rule, after the 15 minutes mark, I change the time settings, the chart settings, and I go up on the 3-minute chart to see a bit more of clarity on the price actions. And essentially, what I wanted to do here, I wanted to long the break of this high at I wanted to go long at 153.8. The breakout happened, was fast, and I ended up to essentially I ended up on this candle. I ended up to long on this candle, but I got the fill just on top of this one 154.36. My initial stop on this one was going to be 152.8, and once the stock started to move against me, I decided to hold on the spike, and once I holded on the spike and I went up on the 5 minutes chart, I did see this doji, and I decided to then adjust my stop just underneath this one, and let the trade do whatever he wanted in that time. I did took out something. I wanted to reduce my risk since I adjusted the stop, the technical stop. I wanted to reduce quickly my risk on this candle, which I did. I pull out 25 shares. The initial trade was with the 75 shares. I took something off at 155.32 on way up on this one, and then I took out slowly shares for until the last two shares at 160. As you can see, the stock is still going up. It's 164, but for me, essentially, for me on this trade, I recover the 78 dollar loss, and made something on as well. The Not sure if you were talking about United Airlines already, but United Airlines, I was looking at 1 minute chart, and I was looking at 1 minute chart, and what took me interest was this technical formation. So the stock tried to run at the open, failed, came back down to this support level, and then tried to go back up, but failed to take the high. So I essentially I was looking at this technical formation. This technical formation I shorted under this candle at 39. uh, uh, I shorted at the break of 39, looking for 50 cents, and risking pretty much 50 cents the high of the day, and I was taken out essentially on the break here. The last trade I took was RIVN. Last trade I took was in RIVN. RIVN, I was looking at 3 minute chart. So RIVN essentially bounced on the had a nice move up, came back down to the wave up, bounced on the wave up, and I was looking to enter at 40.10, which I did. 100 shares, risking the rejection under the wave up, and looking for 40.8 as a final target. I took half position out 40.57 over here, just before the 80, as I did see some volume coming in, some sellers coming in, and I holded up other 50 shares on this one. I decided to, once I did see that there was some resistance on the way up, I did decided to scale down another 25 shares, and then on this on the push toward 470 473, I quickly take out another 50 shares and left the rest ride with the stop under 4050 in that time. And I was taken out at on this pullback. I was taken out on this pullback at 40.51. Pretty much that was my trading day. I was very close to be out of the game today with my maximum loss. I am happy to have ended up with $12 positive, and tomorrow essentially it's another trading day. I hope you guys enjoyed this recap. Let me know in the comment below what you think, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.